Credit Counseling LLC, your credit specialist. Credit Counseling LLC is an effective, hassle-free, and affordable credit repair service. Your credit score is the foundation of your financial future. It's like having financial insurance. Start raising your credit score today so you can get approved for a mortgage or auto loan at the best interest rate. With your new good credit, you'll be able to take advantage of the low interest rates on mortgages, possibly saving you hundreds of dollars each month on your house payment. Having good credit also means getting approved for a credit card with a low interest rate, so you are prepared when an emergency arises. Banks and other loan services may not be the only ones checking your credit score. Many employers are now checking credit reports when considering who to hire. Your good credit just may be the deciding factor on whether you get the job you want. With Credit Counseling LLC, you'll get a free credit report evaluation. Here, we'll be able to explain the details in the process of repairing your good credit. Read what just a few of our clients have to say about us. And we can help you raise your credit score too. We understand unforeseen events happen, and we believe everyone deserves a second chance. At Credit Counseling LLC, we're licensed, insured, bonded, and have the experience to get your good credit back. The sooner you start restoring your good credit, the sooner you'll be able to take advantage of the benefits of having good credit. So give Credit Counseling LLC a call today. We're ready to get started. 408-293-8000 or visit us online at thecreditcounseling.net.